Transpiration is not only essential for moving water through the plant, but it also supports several key physiological processes that are vital for the plant's health, growth, and reproduction. One of its important roles is in transporting mineral ions. As water travels upward through the plant during transpiration, it carries with it dissolved minerals such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium from the roots to different parts of the plant. These minerals are critical for processes like growth, photosynthesis, and protein formation. Without transpiration, the supply of these essential nutrients would be disrupted, leading to poor plant health. And another important role of transpiration is maintaining turgidity, that's the firmness in plant cells. The water taken up through transpiration keeps pressure inside the cells, which makes them firm and gives the plant its structure. This firmness is what allows the plant to stand upright and spread its leaves to catch sunlight for photosynthesis. But if there isn't enough water to maintain that pressure, the plant starts to wilt and can't grow properly. And of course, transpiration also makes sure there's always enough water for photosynthesis. It keeps a steady flow of water reaching the mesophyll cells in the leaves. Since water is a key ingredient in photosynthesis, the process where plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make glucose, their food, and release oxygen, this constant supply is vital. Without it, the plant wouldn't be able to produce the energy it needs to survive and grow. And here's another benefit of transpiration: it cools the leaves. When water evaporates from the leaf surface, it creates a cooling effect, almost like how sweat cools us down. This is really important because it prevents the plant from overheating, which could damage its cells and interfere with its normal processes. By helping to regulate temperature, transpiration keeps conditions just right for the plant to grow and function properly.